Hello my friends, I'm Dog's storyteller. I have many stories to tell. Every day I'm going to tell you a new one. When Blossom, the sheltered dog, lost 2 of her 3 newborn puppies, she was completely heartbroken. The doggie became frantic and was inconsolable. Then, almost by a miracle, 6 puppies in need of a mother came into her life. Escriva, the foster mom, heard about a litter of 8 pups who were thrown out of a window of a driving truck. 2 of them died, and those who survived were at risk. Escriva wasn't sure if Blossom would accept them. The woman decided to give it a try, and it worked. Blossom looked at the puppies, then climbed into the bed and started to cleaning and feeding them. The puppies were all given flower names to make up for Blossom's garden, and the doggie family is blooming. It's very inspiring to see a beautiful creature like Blossom suffer such a heartbreaking loss and turn her full attention to caring for needy puppies, saving their lives. Blossom is teaching us that the best way to heal is to help others. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get a new videos update.